Annyeong Atinies! Hello everyone! This is Dee, Pink Lady, Pink Princess, whatever you want to call me. It's been a while since I posted anything. I've been sick, I've been traveling, so I haven't had time to record anything. And I've actually been waiting to announce that now I'm an Atiny. Yay! I've actually always been a fan of ATEEZ ever since Deja Vu. And I haven't been paying much attention to their music because I got distracted by other bands, as you well know. I'm a Stay, I'm an Engine, I'm a Dobie, and now I'm an Atiny. So now I follow 4 bands. And I don't want to like rank them because I don't want any of the fans of those bands to get upset. And I like them all. I actually love them all, and I love each one of them in a different way. Each one of their music makes me feel something different emotion, different experience. It's just completely different. So yeah, so for the past month, I have been listening to ATEEZ again. I think I've started to slightly pay attention to their music ever since they released Bouncy. So make it bouncy. Yeah, so, and then, but I didn't like pick up their albums and start listening to them and watch their videos. Though when Crazy Form came out, I immediately watched the video. I watched Matt's and I watched It's You, and good Lord, I love them all. So now my biases are, I just wanted to share this with you guys. So Yusung, of course, Mooney, oh, he's just so cute. If anyone knows what the 100% is, if you don't mind sharing with me, what does that mean? Please do. I'm still a baby 18, so please let me know. I want to know the story behind this. Maybe I'll dig deeper into their videos and understand. I've been watching like their onesies, their logbooks, and I really like them. And last night I was watching the one about the proverb assembly. Oh my god, that was hilarious. So yeah, yes. So Yusung, number 1. Vice Wrecker is Park Sung-hwa. Oh good Lord, he's something else. I think he's in a league of his own when it comes to idol, and he just has a stage presence. Oh my god. And later on I will show you guys some things that I've put in my bedroom that was like inspired from his room. I don't know why I got inspired and I started to collect some stuff, but anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna share that. Is Choi San. Choi San lives in my heart and my mind rent free. I don't need to pay much attention to him because he's already there, like inside of my head. Like immediately you see San, you fall in love with him. He's so talented, he's so beautiful, he's so sexy, of course. So I'm sure everyone would agree on that. So shall we begin unboxing? So today I'm gonna unbox the World EP Outlaw. Okay, so let's start unboxing. A little ASMR for you guys. I'm back in the Deja Vu days, favorite days. Okay, finally, we've got something here. I picked the purple one because I like purple. Okay, so, okay, here we go. Outlaw. Ooh, this is fancy. Open in case of emergency. Oh, bounce back. That's so cool. Mingy in a anime kind of form. Who did I get? Oh, I got all Mingy. And San! Yay! Woohoo! I got a photo card for San. Oh, I need to translate that. If anyone knows what this means, please let me know. Oh my god. Woohoo! I've got Mingy and San. Okay, so I should call San in case of emergency. Okay then. Let's see. Woo! Hongjong! Oh, Songwa. Team ATEEZ. Oh, I like the comic book style. Oh, my heart. My little heart. Let's remove all of that. Ah, so pretty. Sun. Oh my god. I love it. I'm so glad I bought it. Slow it down. Make it bouncy. Spicy. I'm going to buy. If you want to know how, I can show you right now. Bouncy. I love Jung's style. Captain. He's the captain indeed. Oh, he looks like a bad boy. He's a sweetheart though. I've been watching his lives. He's such a sweetheart. Oh my god, Park Sung-woo. Things you do to your fans. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Oh, there's just too much. I'm ready for the dark. I'm ready for this world. This world. Ah, yes. I'm ready for the dark. I'm ready for this world. Sorry, oh my god. Oh, you know. Yes, the World EP Outlaw. Woohoo! I got the name right. That's good. You know, such a sweetheart. He's a little puppy. He's a big one though. Golden Retriever. That's what they call him, I think. Okay. This is really, really cool. Dude. Oh! Oh, you sung. Oh, you sung. Oh my god. Oh, this is the best look ever for him. That hair. It's the best look. I really wish he wouldn't mess up with his hair. I don't like the bangs on him. This is definitely the best look. Oh, no, 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 no. This is too much. I'm definitely going to scan those to put them as wallpapers on my phone. Oh my god. Slow it down. Make it bouncy. Oh, oh, more stuff. Oh my god, I love these. Okay, okay, okay. Ah, ATEEZ, the World EP Outlaw. Ooh. Superstar ATEEZ. The coupon code can be used for this album. Theme is updated in the game. Oh, there's a game. Oh, posters! Yay! I'll put them on my iPad. So posters. Atiny, ATEEZ. I'm thinking of getting this as a tattoo. What do you guys think? It's nice, isn't it? Oh, so this is a game. Or this is just stickers. I'm not sure. If anyone knows, please let me know. Oh my god. I love these. The stickers. I don't think there's stickers. I think I could put them on like a t-shirt or something, right? I think so. So pretty song. Is this Mingy again, I think, right? Yeah, with his phoenix hair. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, this is definitely your song. This is Jungkook. Did I miss him when I was flipping? I think I missed him. Bouncy. Sun. Choi Sun. That dead stare of his. Okay, and we have more Sun. Honestly, they all look amazing in this era. Bouncy era. Oh, this is the. I don't want to skip anything. More Sun. Ah, sadly, there's no guns. Sun guns in those pictures. Mingy. Oh, this is hard. This is a big book. I'm trying to show you guys everything. Mingy looks nice with the pink hair. Mingy. So Mingy. Say my name, say my name. Do you hear my voice? I'll set you free. Ah, Wooyoung. Yes, he is a really good dancer. I've been noticing him in lives and stuff. He dances really, really well. He's so cheeky as well. He always teases everyone. Okay, Wooyoung. Some more Wooyoung. The cheeky guy. I love his comments and how they always tell him that you look older than your actual age. It's just so much fun. He's so funny. He's so funny. I love watching their logbooks and their ATEEZ clips because he's always so funny. Oh my god. This is really good. I actually like the quality of this. Okay, so these are the lyrics for the songs. Oh man, this world. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for that. I'm ready for this world. I'm ready. Damn, I forgot. I'm ready for the dark. Yes, there it is. I was trying to remember. Okay. Okay. And then we have, this is Doom. And then we have Bouncy. Ooh. What are you gonna say? Do you want a bet, man? I got time, but it's not for you, bro. Don't you realize what I'm saying? What you gonna do? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and party. Oh my god, this song is so fun. Slow it down, make it bouncy. Okay. I think all of the songs are written by Hongjung and Mingi, if I can read the letters right. There's Wake Up, and then Outlaw, Artist Support, Artist Management, yeah, Stylist. Okay, Makeup. Okay, your stylist, man. There you have it. That's it. That's the album. And this is the CD. I'll play it later. It's purple as well. And we have I'm place. And I've got my card. There it is. I've got my Mingi card. And I've got Mingi again. And I've got Sunny. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. When I unbox the World EP, oh god, I forgot the name, for Crazy Form, I'll do another video. Annyeong! Bye-bye!